Welcome to the new nature center here that's just been opened up at C.J. Brown Reservoir, Buck Creek State Park. They've got all kinds of cool stuff here. Got all this cool stuff for kids here. The history of this place, what it was before, what it looked like before, some history about it, all types of different fish and what you can expect to find here. Gizzards, the walleye, sunfish, muskies, smallmouth bass, crappie, white crappie, bluegill, largemouth bass, the types of birds that are out here. I mean, just look at these views as well. Super neat. Anastasia, can you show me the frogs? And then there's a shop over here. There's some, tells you a little bit about kayaking. There's the map. Everything's brand new. We just opened up yesterday, and then in here, you got the bait shop, and then you got the ice cream shop. Super neat, guys. You have to come out and check this place out.